Hi, this is Supriya Das Francis. I'm back again with Vedic Math, and today we are going to learn three-digit multiplication, any three-digit number, and we are going to multiply it. And believe me, this is super easy method of multiplying the numbers. You don't need to know the tables beyond 10. And let's find out quickly how to do it. So let me share the screen, and I'm sure you must have sat with pen and paper. All right, I think by mistake, yes, I just got it. All right, so here we are. Today we are going to learn three-digit multiplication, and I know all my students are very smart. They must be sitting with pen and paper to learn this. And let's begin. Here we are. So we are going to learn three-digit number. It's very, very easy. Just be attentive. Yeah. So what we are going to do in this example, you can see we are trying to solve 218 multiplied by 163. What would be our first step? So we are not moving from right to left. We'll be moving from left to right. So when I'm talking about left to right, that means ones, tens, and 100. Will not start multiplication from 100 position. So first step is we are multiplying two ones, that is 8 and 3. 8 and 3, 8 3s are 24. We have written 24. Now, the second is tens. So what we'll be doing, we'll multiply 8 with 6 and we'll multiply 1 with 3. 8 6 are 48 and 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. So what we are getting, 48 plus 3 is 51. Very good. Now we'll move to little ahead in tens position. We'll multiply 8 with 1, that is 8. 2 3s are 6 and 1 6s are 6. So 8 plus 6 makes it 20. So we'll write 20. Now we'll move ahead. Here 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 6 is 12. If you are not understanding, don't worry. We'll be practicing on whiteboard together. Till then, please pay attention here and try and understand. So 12 plus 1 makes it 13. We'll write 13 here. Then last is 100 position number and number. Both the sides on 100 position. That is 2 and 1. So 2 1s are 2. We'll write 2. Now again, addition, you know how we add it. We write 4 as it is. 2 moves here. So 51 and 2 makes it 53. We write 3. 5 moves here. So 20 plus 5 makes it 25. We write 5 here. 2 carry over. Again 13 plus 2 is 15. We write 5 here. 1 carry over. 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 3 5 5 3 4. I'm sure at least 50% of it you understood that there is lots of cross multiplication happening. If you did not understand which number to multiply with which number, no problem. Let's move to whiteboard and let's try and understand how we can do this. This is going to be little complicated. It's not complicated. I must not use that word, but still, just be attentive. You'll find the answer very easily. 7531 multiplied by 159. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'll write multiplication sign here. I'll keep this down. And here we go. Yes. And we'll move it. So the position remains same. Yes. Now what we are going to do, our first step. Okay. Let's draw a line. I'm going to draw 4 lines. So I'll draw 1 line, then I'll write 2 lines, then 3 lines, and then 4 lines. So we have 5 places and we'll put equal sign here. Very simple. First, we are going to multiply 9 once. Yes. Very, very simple. 3 multiplied by 9 gives us 27. Then what we are going to do, second step, let me erase this line so that we are clear. At a time, we'll do one step and we are going to multiply 5 with 9 and 5 with 3. So 5 9s are 45. Let's write 45 and 5 3s are 15. So we'll write 15 just below this. Let's take eraser and cross this multiplication sign. Yes. Now I'll take this again and we are going to draw. Now what we'll be doing? This is the complicated step little. We are going to multiply 7 with 9, 1 with 3, and 5 with 5. So here we'll write 9 7s are 63. Very good. 5 5s are 25. I hope you are following my step. You are writing along with me so that you'll understand. And 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 3. Done? This step is clear. What did we do? We multiplied 100 with 1. Then we multiplied 1 with 100. And in 10th position, whatever number is that we multiply with each other. Now I'm going to erase this. Let me erase it. Yes. Now what we are going to do? Now we'll move ahead. Now we are multiplying 7 with 5 and 5 with 1. So 7 5s are 35. If you draw a line like this and multiply, it will be super easy for you to understand. 5 1s are 5. So we'll write 0 5. Clear? Again, we are going back and we'll erase this multiplication cross sign. And now what we are doing? 7 multiplied by 1. 7 multiplied by 1 gives us 7. Now let's add it together. 7 we'll write as it is. 2 moves from here to here and we'll write 2 here. So 5 plus 5, 10, and 10 and 2 is 12. So we'll write 2 here, 1 carry over. 4 and 1, 5 and 1, 6. So we'll write 6 here because this 6 moves from here to here. Now 3 and 5 is 8. 8 and 3 is 8 and 6 is 14. 14 and 3 is 15, 16, 17. So for 17, I'm going to write 7 here. 1 carry over. 6 and 1, 7 and 2. 7 and 2, 9. So I'll write 9 here because 9 will move from here to here. Now 5 plus 5, 10 and 9, 19. I'm going to write 9 here and 1 carry over here. 3 and 1, 4. But we'll not write 4 here. We'll write 4 here because this 4 moves here. And 7 plus 4 is 11. That's it. In one line, you can get the answer. It's very, very easy. Yes, you need little practice with this. So what we are doing is we are going back to the main screen and I want you to try out, pause my video here and practice the sums which is given in the practice area. You can see it on your screen. These are the practice sums. So please practice it, pause my video, take little time. It may take 5 minutes to 10 minutes, but once you get the concept, you can easily do it. So please pause my video, but I'll be moving ahead because I want to explain how to do 4-digit multiplication. Same method, same process, nothing to worry about. Instead of drawing lines, I have taken circles now. See, small to big circle. Why? Because initially we have one number to multiply, then number becomes 2, then 3, then 4, then again 3, then 2, then 1. Okay. So let's see what we are multiplying first. First is 8 multiplied by 6. Here we are trying to multiply 5,478 with 2,356. As you can see it on the screen, it's very easy. First, we'll multiply 8 with 6. So 8 6 are 48. Leave it as it is. Now, second step is 7, 10th position. 7 multiplied by 6 and 8 multiplied by 5. 7 6 are 42. As you can see it on the screen, and 8 5s are 40. So 40 plus 42 makes 82. I have written down here. Next step is we'll be moving 8 multiplied by 3, so 24. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 6 multiplied by 4 gives me 24. And total of that is 83. Again, the last, this is the more complicated one, where you see 8 multiplied by 2, then 6 multiplied by 5, then 7 multiplied by 3, and 4 multiplied by 5. This gives us 87. Then 7 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 4 gives us 51. And 5 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 2 is 23. 5 multiplied by 2, last is 10. After multiplication and adding it together, we have this final value down. So let's calculate it further and see. Last digit is 8. We write 8 as it is. Now 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 moves here. 83 and 8 is 91. So we write 1 here and 9 carry over. 87 and 9. How much 87 and 9 would be? 106. So we write 6 here. We have 10. 51 plus 8. 51 plus 8 makes it. Sorry, here we have 10. So 51, 51 plus 8 makes it 59 and 1 carry over. So 10, 0 here, 9 carry over, 1 carry over, then 5 and 3, 8 and 1 carry over 9, and then 10 plus 2 makes it 12. So this is your answer. I know you find it little complicated, nothing to worry about. Let's go back to white screen and try understanding it. Just relax, breathe easy, take your pen and paper, write your heading, 4-digit multiplication. What you need to understand here is, because it's 4-digit multiplication, you need to have little patience and do it. Now I'm going to type 6587 and we are multiplying this with 9874. Clear? You will say that we must write bigger number on top and smaller number down. Nothing to worry. We don't need to do anything, any changes anywhere. Just simply multiply. Yes. Now what we are going to do? Very simple. First, we'll draw the line, because drawing line helps you segregate numbers correctly step by step. And as I'm drawing line, as I'm moving ahead with calculation, multiplication, I expect you to come along with me, write it along with me. Now 7 fours are. First step is we multiply. By now you know that first 2 digits we multiply. So 7 fours are 28. Simply write 28. Nothing to worry. All right. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to erase this line. We are clear? Now, you know that we multiply, we do cross multiplication. This step, we also did it in number of 2-digit number multiplication, 3-digit number multiplication. So by now you must be knowing that we do cross multiplication. Now 7 sevens are 49, write down 49. 8 fours are 32. Any number can be written on top or any number can be written down. So nothing to worry. Now this step is clear. Third, what we'll be doing? Third will be sometimes this troubles us. That's okay, because we need to erase it and I'm trying to erase it so that it's clear for us. All right. Now, we need to have lots of patience when we try to learn a new concept. Now see here what we are doing. As we did it in 3-digit multiplication, we'll multiply 5 with 4, we'll multiply 8 with 7, and then again we'll multiply 8 with 7. So 5 fours are 20. Then we have 8 sevens are 56, and again 8 sevens are 56. So twice we'll write 56 here. Till here it's clear? Yes. Now what we'll be doing? Nothing. We'll just erase this and we are back. All right, we erase it. Done. Now, we did it with 3. We'll do it with 4. So we'll multiply 6 with 4, 9 with 7, then 5 with 7, and 8 with 8. Clear? You could draw this line or not. Please tell me. If not, let me erase this. Let me erase this and see what we can do. Let me move little space in between them. That seems a bit difficult, no problem. Let's draw the line again. You must remember, first multiply 6 with 4. So first is 6 4s are 24. Then we'll multiply 9 7s are 9 7s are 63. Then we'll multiply 8 8s are 8 8s are 64. And what is the next number to multiply? That is 5 7s are 5 7s are 35. Now you must have understood it clearly. What we did, as we multiply, we write the number so we don't get confused. We multiply 6 with 4, so we have written 24. 9 with 7, that is 63. 8 8s are 64, and 5 7s are 35. Now what we are going to do? Now we'll move ahead with multiplication. Yes. Now we'll multiply 6 with 7, 9 by 8, and 5 by 8. So when we multiply 6 7s, it is 42. So let's write 42. Then we have 9 8s are 72. So we'll write 72. Then 8 5s are 40. We'll write 40. This step you must have understood clearly. Now, yes. Now what we are going to do? Now it's very easy. 6 multiplied by 8, 9 5s are, we'll write. So I'm going to draw one more line. 9 5s are 45. 8 6s are 48. Clear? We'll write 48. We need little more space. So let me make space for you. Yes. Let me make little space. Yes. And I'll draw one more line is required. So I'll draw one more line here. And now the last thing is 9 6 we need to do. 9 6 54. So I'll write here 54. I'm sure you will not get confused because of the color difference. I have written it very, very clearly. Now let's do one thing. Let's add all this number together. Right. So what we are doing is we'll write 28 as it is. Let's simplify it. 9 and 2, 11. 1 carry over. 4 and 3, 7 and 1, 8. So we have 81 here. 6 and 6, 12. 1 carry over. 5 and 5, 10. 2, 12 and 1, 13. So we'll write 13 here. Now, 4 plus 3, 7, and 4 plus 9, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 3, 7, and 9 makes it, 7 and 9 is 16. So we'll write 6 here, 1 carry over. Now 6 and 6, 12, 12 and 3 is 15, 16, 17 and 1, 18. So we'll write 186. Let's check once again if we have done it correctly. Here 5 plus 4, 9, 3, 12, 12 and 4 is 16, 6, 1 carryover, 6 and 2, 8, 8 and 6, 14, 14 and 3, 17 and 1, 18. Correct? Now 2 plus 2 makes it 4. So we'll write here 4. And 4 and 4, 8 and 7, 15. So we'll write here 15. All right, I'll just draw this line little longer. 8 and 5, 13. We'll write 3 here, 1 carryover, 4, 4, 8 and 1, 9. So I'll write 93 here. Let's draw this line lengthy and we'll write 54 here as it is. Now nothing. Now even more simpler, we just need to move the number and add it clearly. I'll change the color so that you know it very. Now this is 8. 2 moves here, makes it 3. Now 8 moves here, makes it 10. So we'll write 0. 1 carryover. 13 will become 14. 14 will move here. 14 and 6. 14 and 6 makes it 20. So we'll write 0, 2 carryover. 18 and 2 is 20. So 20 will move here. 154 plus 20. 154 plus 20 makes it 174. For 174, we'll write 4 here. And 17 moves here. So we write 17 here. 93 and 7 is 100. 100 plus 10 is 110. So for 110, we'll write 0 here. And 11 will move here. So when this 11 moves here, 54 plus 11 is 65. So you have your answer ready, and this is your answer. Isn't it easy? Yes. Till you understand the concept, it appears to be difficult, but believe me, it's much more easy, and rechecking is even more easier. So please take time out to practice it again, understand it well. Please make mistake, because if you make mistake, then only you'll be able to rectify it. So never be scared of making mistake. You must not think that you should get all the answer correct at once. That does not happen. It only comes with practice. So if you are making mistake, at least you are practicing it. You are trying to do it. Try and keep trying. Don't get disheartened if you don't get answers correctly at once, because only practice should be your motto. With this, I end this session, and I hope you will practice it more to learn it and solve it in a faster way. Thank you, children. I'll meet you in next class with new concept. Till then, take care. Happy